everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy way to get the Minecraft Bedrock Xray Glitch. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to first drink some potion of night vision, and then you will need some sand and a gate fence. Then from here start by just digging through some places right here. So you will need just a few blocks underground, so just dig through right there and make sure that you're going pretty down. And then once you're there, just make sure that you have enough space. So you have like a few here. So just open another one. And then you're going to just place a fence, open it, walk through and close it. Then you're going to look up. Make sure that there's enough space above you right here. And so from here, we're going to just place one piece of sand and then another. And this is going to just push us on the side. And then from here, we're going to just jump and then place another piece of sand. And then once you walk from here, as you can see, now the glitch works and you can see everything from that and you can scan through the entire place. And that's pretty much it. Very easy. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.